Hello bachchon, let's see the question here. Four elements P, Q, R and S have ground state electronic configuration as P 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3, R 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p3, Q 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1, S 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p1. Which of the following option represent the correct order of true and false statement? First, size of P is less than size of Q. Second, size of R is less than size of S. Third, size of P is less than size of R. Appreciable difference. Fourth, size of Q is less than size of S. Appreciable difference. A, true, 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 true. B, true, 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 false. C, false, false, true, true. D, true, true, false, false. So here we will start our solution. और सबसे पहले हम note down कर लेते हैं key concept of this question. As we know that size along a period, size decreases. This is due to the fact that effective nuclear charge increases in this case, whereas when we move down a group, in that case, size will increase as effective nuclear charge decreases. यहाँ पे हम बात करते हैं सबसे पहले P की. So atomic number of P, as we can see, this is 15 here. So P here, this is phosphorus, okay, which is denoted by P itself. Next we have Q. For Q, atomic number is 13, and we know that 13, this is aluminium here in this case. Next here, we have R. R is having atomic number as 33, that is, it is arsenic, and S is having atomic number in this case as 31. This is gallium here. In this case, we will arrange this according to periods and groups. So we know that P and Q, that is phosphorus and aluminium, they belong to third period here, okay, and arsenic and gallium, they belong to fourth period in this case. Whereas if we talk about phosphorus and arsenic, they both belong to 15th group, and gallium and aluminium, they belong to 13th group. That means here we have aluminium, next here we have phosphorus, next here in fourth period and 13th group we have gallium, and at last arsenic. So as we have discussed here, along a period size decreases and along a group size increases. That means here if we talk about size, so size of phosphorus, this is less than size of aluminium, and size of arsenic, this is also less than gallium. Next here, size of phosphorus, it will be less than size of arsenic here. Similarly, for aluminium and gallium, यही same process follow होना चाहिए था. That is, aluminium की जो size है, वो gallium से छोटी होनी चाहिए थी. But as we can see here, in case of gallium, we have 3d10 orbital, and this is fulfilled. तो इस वजह से क्या होगा? Weak screening, or we can say weak shielding effect होगा, and due to that gallium में जो Z effective होगा वो increase करेगा, and as a result due to the factor of weak screening effect, यहाँ पर जो gallium की atomic size होगी it will be less than that of aluminium. So this is for gallium and aluminium. This is the exception here. So from this we can say that at first size of P is less than size of Q, P यहाँ पे क्या है, phosphorus, and Q is aluminium. So size of phosphorus is less than aluminium. This is true. Okay. Next we have size of R less than size of S. R is arsenic, S is gallium here. So that means size of arsenic is less than gallium. This is also true in this case. Next we have size of P less than size of R. P क्या है, phosphorus, R है arsenic. So that means size of phosphorus less than arsenic. This is also true. But in case of size of Q less than size of S, that means size of aluminium is less than size of gallium. This is false because here size of S is greater than size of Q. So if we see here the option B, which says true, 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 false, this is the correct match here. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.